Update on the LA wildfires, guys, and this is the total. We have at least 25 people confirmed deaths across all affected areas, and structures burned over 12,000 buildings, and they're gone, guys. Over 12,000 buildings. And economic impact, this fire potentially cost over 250 up to 275,000, well, $75 billion of damage, guys, making this fire one of the top costly fires in the United States. And also we have over 88,000 people evacuated, and 84 potentially people to be evacuated. So this is an ongoing effort. We have over 8,000 firefighters fighting this fire, and we have a lot of people displaced, guys. Also, thank you to the people donating clothes, food, and all those essential items. But yes, guys, this is an ongoing problem, and this is a update on the LA wildfires.